Oh, it's recording now. So people have been wondering how to unlatch this bad boy once there's no cable connected here. I've watched videos, I've read a lot of stuff. Some people say unbolt those two bolts there on the right that you see, and that guy over there, release the whole thing. Somebody says cram something down here and wedge something down here from underneath this way. I'm gonna get a different view from down there. What's this? Okay, get a different view from down here, where, as you can tell by my fingers, is where I got it from. What you do is you stick your fingers all the way, your whole hand all the way up in there. Don't be scared. Don't be worried. What you're gonna do is, I'm trying to get a better picture of everything down here. Okay, let's see. Do I got everything? Well, you can't really see it from down here, to be honest with you. Can't really see it. All you can see is that shiny black thing underneath the silver thing, and then you see that ribbed hose. Well, I got some pictures and such, and I used them as reference, and I figured out where my fingers landed. My fingers, at the end of the day, ended up grabbing this, and my finger, whoops, hold on. Let's try this again. So what I ended up doing, getting my hand up there, I got it up like this. I got my finger underneath there, underneath all this stuff, stuck it back in there, and pushed something that was up here. I went ding. I felt it move, and it went ding. And that bitch, as you can tell, open right the fuck up. You don't need any tools. You don't need to unbolt anything. No rods, no sticks. Stick your fingers in there. If there's some ninja fingers, you can do this. Do it.